Hey lovelies, Miss Baltai here. I know that yesterday you were able to watch a video by Mr. June and Mr. Lane about your volume and surface area of prisms and pyramids. Today I'm going to talk to you a little bit about the nets that you can break them down to solve for your volume and your surface area as well. So when you're looking here, we have a cube. A cube is made up of all the same sides. When you break it down and cut it open, basically making your net, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. So a cube, all sides are the same. When you break it down, you end up having 6 squares, and then you can find your surface area by finding the area of squares. For your rectangular prism, this is when you break it down and cut it open. You have 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles. And then most of the time you'll have a side and a side, which sometimes are squares, sometimes are rectangles. So you have 2, and they could be squares or rectangles. Be careful because not all these rectangles are going to be the same. So when you find the area, you're going to have to find the area of every rectangle. If you look here, these two are the same and these two are the same. However, these two sides are going to be the same. For a triangular prism, if you're having an equilateral, which means all sides are the same, triangle for your base, remember a base is 2 sides. So if you have more than 2, it can't be your base. So we have 1, 2, 3 rectangles, and you have a triangle here and a triangle here. So 2 triangles. For a square pyramid, pyramids come to a point. So they do not have bases, they have a point. So you only have one base, not the double, and one point. For a square pyramid, the base is a square, so you have one square. And you have 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles. Obviously, you have 4 because a square has 4 sides. A triangular pyramid, triangular means that the base is going to be a triangle, and the pyramid is when it comes to a point. So here's my point, here's my triangle. If it is an equilateral triangle, all sides are the same, then all your triangles are going to be the same, but you need to make sure you look at those numbers. So we end up having 4 triangles here, but be careful, not all are always the same. So you want to double check. This goes for all your shapes. It does not mean that all of your sides and all of your angles and all of your shapes, even if you have rectangles, doesn't mean they're all the same. So you want to make sure that you double check that you are looking at these shapes carefully. Breaking down these shapes can definitely help you solve the problem a little bit differently. So I hope seeing the nets of these shapes and how they're broken out can help you solve the problems that you're going to have for your assignment. Miss you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video.